In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent gradient in Canva. If you've ever wanted your colors to blend smoothly and fade beautifully while still keeping part of your design see-through, this walkthrough will make it simple and repeatable. Start by opening your design and selecting the element you want to style. This could be a shape, a text box background, or any graphic you want to give that smooth, blended look. With the element selected, look at the toolbar above and click the color tile. This opens the color panel. Under Document Colors, click the plus sign to add a new color. You'll notice two tabs in the color picker, one for solid color and one for gradient. Switch to the Gradient tab. Here, choose the colors that will form your gradient. You can pick two or more colors that blend together. Take a moment to explore the gradient styles available, such as linear or radial. Linear gradients shift color in a straight line and are great for creating direction, while radial gradients spread outward from a center point, which can draw attention to the middle of an element. Adjust the handles or angle to influence how the colors transition. As you slide or rotate, you'll see the colors interact in real time, so trust your eye and aim for a smooth blend that supports your overall design. When you're happy with the look, you've got your gradient in place. Next, let's add transparency so the element blends with the background. Reselect the same element if needed. On the toolbar above, click the checkered icon, which controls transparency. A slider will appear. Drag it to the left for more transparency and to the right for less. A lower value makes the element more see-through, allowing background images, colors, or textures to show through the gradient. A higher value keeps the gradient bolder and more opaque. Make small adjustments and watch how your design changes as you move the slider. A few quick tips as you refine your result. Check your gradient over both light and dark areas to ensure the colors still look intentional. Keep accessibility in mind. If you're placing text over a gradient, maintain enough contrast for readability. And if you're layering multiple elements, apply the gradient and transparency to each one thoughtfully so they don't all compete for attention. That's it. You selected your element, created a gradient by switching from solid to gradient in the color picker, chose your colors and style, and then adjusted transparency with the checkered icon and slider. With practice, you'll create polished, professional gradients that elevate your designs in seconds.